Hello everyone, today we're going to review the Rocky Mounts Gigawatt platform style bike rack. Now, this bike rack is easy to use and it is a reliable way to secure your bikes on your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's take a look at how to put it together and some of its features. Begin with placing the mounting shank on the vehicle and securing it with the locking receiver pin. Tighten the receiver pin using the provided tool. Lift up slightly on the mounting shank when you tighten it down snugly. You can now insert the lock pod. Cover with the cover to keep debris out of the lock. You can now secure the inner wheel tray with 4 bolts and 2 straps. Place the strap on the bolt in both locations. You can now tighten this hardware down with the provided Allen wrench. Now repeat this on the opposite side. You can now place the wheel hoop into position by aligning the 6 mounting tabs. Now pass the bolt into position and tighten using the provided Allen wrench. Squeeze the wheel hoop firmly to get the bolt started. It is not too short. Rotate the arm and hook out of the way to expose the second mounting location for the wheel hoop. You can now repeat these steps for the outer wheel tray. Secure the wheel hoop's inner hardware on both sides. Now install your hook straps, place it over the hook, and then stretch it into position using a small screwdriver. Your Gigawatt assembly is complete. You are now ready to access this blue handle to put it in the stowed position, or you are ready to load the bikes. This handle also allows the bike rack to be tilted away to access the cargo area. If you plan to use the Gigawatt on an RV or fifth wheel trailer, you must install this RV bolt in this location here. Use the provided tool on one side and a 22mm socket for the other. When you're ready to load some bikes, go ahead and open up all your hooks and straps. The Gigawatt does also include a ramp for loading bikes. Simply hook it into position and you're now ready to load a bike. Secure the back tire using the ratcheting strap. Raise the hook into position. Another Gigawatt feature is the straps allow you to hook up 2 bikes with fenders as long as this arm is between 12 and 11 o'clock. Now hook the rubber strap underneath the tire and secure to the nub on the hook. Now repeat for the lower tire strap. There is also a security chain and a second lock pod so we can lock the bikes to the rack. We will pass this end through the loop. Place the final link onto our second lock pod location. Now insert on the other lock pod. Don't forget to secure your ramp in the vehicle for future use. That concludes our review of the Rocky Mounts Gigawatt platform style bike rack for e-bikes. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the trails. This bike rack fits a 2-inch receiver only, fits 2 bikes up to 80 pounds each. It is RV rated with lower ratings. There is 15-inch spacing between the bikes. It can accommodate a 20-inch to a 29-inch tire up to 4.5 inches wide, and wheelbases from 34 inches to 55 inches in length. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can even download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.